Hey guys, first off I want to apologize for the way this video is being made. I had a really hard time getting any sort of screen capture to work with a remote client. So as it stands, I will just be recording my screen with my webcam. I hope that's okay. So to start with, I'll tell you a little bit about the database that I made. The idea behind it, of what I wanted to do, it was like an ordering system, basically keeping track of basically just inventory, um, and what customers would order from the company and what their address was to order it to. So as you can see here, I got my ER diagram, and you can kind of see how I got it all linked together. I got a couple tables here with a couple many-to-many relationships, and the foreign keys and whatnot. And let's get right into the meat and potatoes of it. All right. So I guess to start with, we'll go with just here's all the basically the code that I use to basically create all the tables and fill all the tables with information, I guess. As you can see, there all of it is in all of its glory. Um, and here's the tab that I used to create views for each one of the different tables that I made. And the tables that I have are an address table, categories, customer, customer order, inventory, and items ordered. Now for the first one, I joined two views, and basically what that view does is it pulls the customer's first name and last name, and it gives them the address, city, and state that they live in. And the rest of the views basically just are normal, and then they pull just sets of information from the rest of the tables without any sort of join whatsoever. Um, After that, we have our procedure tab, and for this one, the procedure that I decided to make was what it does basically is that you can use this procedure to basically insert a new category into the categories table if for whatever reason you get new items or a new type of item and you want to create a new category for it. So what that does is it'll just, for this example I used trowels, and it creates like a new whole tab for trowels. Now here's the tab that I did for queries. Um, the first query, basically what this query will do is it takes the, basically it'll find the total price that a customer pays as well as the total discount that they pay for every single item that they have bought. Um, and then what I also did, I used a group by first name, last name, and having total price greater than 2,500. What it'll do is it'll find all those, but it'll basically sort it so that it'll only show customers that have paid over $2,500 on any of their orders. Um, the next one, basically, it's a what it does is it counts the total number of products that I added into the system, as well as finding the most expensive item that is on that list as well. And then after that, basically what I did, all these other queries, what they do is it's just like an example of using select statements to basically pull information from the views that I had created earlier. So I guess without any further ado, we will I will just I guess I'll start showing you a couple of these. So so let me So for the first one, you could see that it shows you all the customers that paid more than $2,500. And then for this one, um, it'll show the total number of products, and I entered 10 different products into the system, and then the most expensive item is $10,000. And then we'll go on to the next one. And as you can see, it pulls the customer ID, their address, and then what I did was I limited it to the state of California, so it only showed the customers who were from California. And then this one, I had it basically I had it pull customer information, but I only had it find the people whose names were between A and K. And then for the next one, where were we? I had it pull the order info from the view, but I set a parameter for it that was between the months of March and April. And for this one, inventory info, basically I had it pull all of the inventory that I added whose price was between $0 and $2,600. And for this last one, I basically told it to find the ordered items, and I had it search for everyone where someone had ordered more than one of something, and that is the result for it. So, so let's go to the procedure here. So we'll get rid of this this right here real quick, and then we'll give it a run, see how she goes. And as you can see, it basically entered a new category 5 into there, into the trowels. So if we go to, where are you? Categories. As you can see, if we pull it up, there it is. Category name, trowels, and then we'll just do the category ID 2 and 5. So as you can see, it successfully added it into the system. And then we'll get rid of that. There we go. And then I guess did I? I think that's about all I got to show you for now. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.